Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna do some cute and easy hairstyles with hair clips. Those are so cute and so popular right now, so I have decided to get some myself a while ago, and I really wanted to create some cute and easy looks that you can do. It's gonna be a very quick tutorial, easy tutorial, which is the most important part, and especially for girls who has short hair and struggling styling it, I got you, because those little guys are gonna help us today. And I got a lot of them. I got them from Amazon. If you would like to get the exact same ones, I'm gonna link it down below. I personally would recommend you to do this hairstyles with wavy hair. It's gonna give you more of a messy and stylish look, but if you have straight hair, it's gonna look amazing as well. And if you will have a long hair, it's gonna look amazing as well. But since we are dealing with short hair now, we're gonna go ahead and do some hairstyles. And I have 8 hairstyles in mind for you, which is gonna be super easy to do, and it's gonna bring you a completely different look. So without further ado, let's just start with hairstyle number 1. And for the look number 1, we will need to have our split in the middle. Well, I would recommend you to get it in the middle. You take a small piece and you put it behind your ear on both sides. I know it looks a little bit funny right now, but you will see where I'm coming from. So we're gonna use these two guys, and I recommend you not to put it this way, and I recommend you to put it a little opposite. Here, one clip is here, and another one is here. So it's really close to your ears, and at the same time you are having your face open. There is nothing in your hair. It's gonna give you a very cute and open face look, and it's super easy to do. For the hairstyle number 2, we're gonna use the pearl clips, and with this one you actually can leave your split in the middle, or I would actually do it more on one side so another one is more open, so like this. So you have more volume here on this side, and we will need 3 big clips. We're gonna put one here, another one here, and the third one on the top. And here is your second hairstyle. Super cute, super stylish. You can go out with this hairstyle, especially the pearl hair clips are giving you this, you know, going out look. So it's really pretty and super easy to do. Okay, for number 3, we will need to have our split on the side as well, so you decide which side you like more. I prefer this one to stay open, and on another side, when we have more hair, we're gonna do a twist like this, twisting, 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 and just clipping them here. Here you have another completely different look, which is super cute as well. Number 4 is gonna be the same as twist, but now we're gonna do the braid. And all you have to do is take part of the hair, split it in 3 parts. One is going down and you're creating a braid, but at the same time you take hair from each side to make it Dutch braid. And you keep going until you would like to stop. I'm gonna do a few more. Okay, and now we're gonna pull each side to make it more bigger and to bring it volume, create more of a messy look and cuter look. So you're doing it with each part. There we go. We're gonna use this. There we go. Another cute look, but with the braid. And since you already took a lot of hair for this side is open as well, and you don't have any hair in your face is open, and it looks just super cute. For the next look, we're gonna have our split in the middle again, but as you remember, the first one was when we put it our hair behind our ears and clips right here. So now we're actually are going to add hair clips on the top of your hair. I'm gonna use the pearl ones again because they are super cute, and we're just gonna clip one here, one here, a little bit, make it more messier. And then another here, and another right here. I am actually living for this look. It's so cute and so adorable. Easy, cute, beautiful. There is no hair in your face. You can wear it everywhere, and it's just 1 second to do. Win-win. All right, and for the next hairstyle, we're gonna do a messy bun. I personally love to leave my hair here and here to make it more messy and, you know, more stylish. We need a rubber band. The wavier your hair is, the messier the bun is gonna look, which I actually love. So the way I'm doing my messy bun is okay, so you're doing a pony and then you just flip it. Here we have some things coming out of the bun, but remember that bobby pins can fix everything, so we're gonna just fix it here so it's not too much, and in the back as well. But what's so special about this bun and your clips is that, you know how bobby pins can look really messy in the back, and those guys can actually fix the whole problem. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. So we're just gonna start from the back and twist it and use this little guy and this little guy, and it's gonna give you a completely different look from when it's usually a bobby pins, because I feel like they are doing your hair in the back so messy, and with this ones you can just have a cuter look for sure. So messy bun with a cute hair clips. Okay, for the next one, I feel like you really might like it, especially how it's gonna look in the back, because it's gonna be super adorable. Okay, you will need to leave a little bit here. It's totally up to you, but I love it. And here Then we're taking little parts from this side and we're gonna twist it in the back. Make sure your hair is a little bit messier in here. Okay, so all you have to do is twist it and fix it with the one clip. Then we're gonna take another part from here, twist it again, make a twist here and fix it with another clip. And the last one. So you're gonna have 3 clips. Okay, and this is how it's gonna look. In the back you can put any clips that you like. I prefer those because they are super adorable. And this is how the hairstyle looks in front. We can fix it a little bit, make it more messier, but yeah, super casual. But if you don't like when your hair is in your way, you can definitely take it off so your face is more open. But I personally love this messy look, and that's how it looks like. Okay, next we will have low pony and low messy bun. We're gonna start with low pony. Messy pony, so leave your hair here and just do a low ponytail. Make it more messier in the back. That's how it looks in the front. Nothing interesting. We might need one part of the hair to hide our rubber band. We can tease it a little bit so it's more fluffy and messy. And just add one hair clip to it. And there you go. Lower bun, we're gonna do it the same as high bun. We are just gonna do a ponytail, then twist it and twist it one more time. Make it messy. We can use a few bobby pins to fix it and make it more pretty. Right here. And add a hair clip here. And add the hair clip right here. The last with the pony that we can do actually is put our hair clips just on the side as a ponytail here and here. And this is how it's gonna look. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what kind of hairstyles you would like to see next, and I will make sure this video will happen. And share this video with your friends. Share this video for someone who is struggling with their short hair, who need new ideas, and I hope you will try some of my tutorials. And if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.